Morning guys, I actually hope you can hear me. Hope you guys are doing well and everyone is safe. Sorry, I had to pop up here because today is a busy day. Since you guys clicked on the video, you guys already know what this video is going to be about. Yes, I am moving out to another accommodation. And yeah, so it is now like 10 a.m. We're gonna head to my place so we can start, with moving stuff. The movers are gonna be there. Yeah, it's gonna be a very busy few days. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. So, it is now 7:30 p.m. and I am still stuck in this room with a whole bunch of boxes to unpack. I've not even put a sheet on the bed yet. But yeah, so I'm in the process of unpacking everything. I still have some stuff I'll show you. I still have boxes over there to take care of. I just finally got to put the shoes. I still have bags to put in there again. Oh goodness, my face looks like a tomato. Now I'm just gonna go back to my place, shower, and then start unpacking more boxes. So here I started organizing already, winter clothes here and my other clothes here. Still have, like I said, those 2 boxes to get rid of. Still have some stuff here too. But yeah, it's getting there. I also did that one. Still some stuff on there, but it's just for cleaning. And I finished my dresser. Hello guys, I am now in Munich. I woke up at 4. I had to be at headquarters around 7 a.m. Overall, the moving is going well. Really like my new apartment. Still trying to unpack like you guys saw, but overall it should be done in the next few days. After Munich, I'm going back obviously to Dubai, and then I have like 3 days off, so I should be settled at that time. Anyways, hope you guys are well. I think the plan today is to take a nap for an hour or two, and then I'm probably gonna go to a supermarket nearby the hotel and get some groceries. Then I'm gonna join the crew for dinner. They're gonna meet in a restaurant here at the hotel. Probably gonna be it. Yeah, and then after that, I'll guys see you in Dubai, and we finish unpacking. I think it's time for a nap now. See you guys later. Morning guys, I'm gonna head now to the shops to grab some stuff really quickly, and yeah, then I'm gonna head back, go to gym, and then I'm gonna have my breakfast. Hey guys, so I just came back to the hotel. I went to the supermarket to get some stuff, and then I went to the pharmacy to get my face cream, and then I went to the other shop to get like some dry shampoo. I used that piece and a couple of deodorants. That's it. So that's why I wore like gym clothes, because now I can just like come to the room and drop my stuff, and then I'll go to gym. and it started cooling down a little bit, so that's amazing. So guys, I just renewed my UK ID, and I'm liking the photo much better than the other one. Let me show you. I cannot show you my credentials. Here. Yay. Yeah, I've been wanting to change that one for 3 years now, so I did it. Speaking of, now that I have like a new uniform on that I just got yesterday, and yeah, taking the photo like I took the first day when I got here, it felt like I was like, you know, reliving the first days when I first came here to Dubai and joining Emirates. So it was quite nice. Felt like a new joiner again. Anyways, I'm off to my flight. See you guys later. So I'm finally done. It is quite a bit late right now, so I'm gonna quickly show you how, like, a quick tour, like a tour of the apartment, how my accommodation looks like, and also like a room tour. So let's get this done with. I know a lot of people requested this before, but I didn't want to do it because I was actually planning to move, so I wanted to do it when I move instead of like doing it before, like doing it twice, and it's pretty much going to be the same. So now that I moved out and settled, I'm sorry, I'm like having such a bad cold. I think because of the AC or something. But yeah, I want to show you how my room turned out to be. And I also want to give you a tour of the Emirates. This is what the bathroom looks like. That's the shower. Finally got my shower rod, and I did hang up the curtain. I got the hanger for the door, and it's right here, but somehow it didn't fit. It's really quite small, so I cannot hang this. I cannot hang my rope yet, so I need to throw it or change it. Probably too late to change it, so I'm just gonna probably like give it to someone or something. But yeah, this is what the bathroom looks like. A full basket of laundry, yay me. And yeah, that's my skincare, hair care, shower, deodorant, whatever thing is there. Yeah, and that's me. This is my room. I think you've seen like my room before, like somehow in the background of my videos or something when I'm getting ready. But yeah, this is my dresser. This is the TV stand. This is my shoe thing, and that's the bed. There's also another dresser that's the companies that already like gives you in the room. I'm gonna get rid of that chair though. Like, I'm gonna give it to them to put in the storage room or something, and just keep mine. And this is the wardrobe. I finally finished putting all of my stuff here. Yay. And also, this is the wardrobe. Dresses and stuff there. Then this is the hallway. That is my bedroom. That's an A bedroom, and that is the biggest bedroom in like all of Emirates accommodation. Then there's the B bedroom. That's one of my flatmates, and that's the C bedroom. That's the entrance. You see the entrance, and then that's where my room is, right there. This is my shoe rack here. This is the guest bathroom, but like all of the rooms have like bathrooms inside, like in-suite bathrooms, so it's not something that you have to worry about. This is just a guest bathroom, a bathroom that we don't use. This is the living room. We don't have a TV here because my TV is inside, and my flatmate doesn't really use her TV because she's not here most of the time. That's the dining table, and right here, this is the kitchen.
Yeah, they're like a bunch of cupboards, stove, that is the fridge. And here is an extra room for the washing machine and for laundry, basically. This is a laundry room, and that is where we put our cleaning stuff and everything else. But yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. I'm so sorry for my voice. Tomorrow night, I'm celebrating one of my best friend's birthday because she was on unpaid leave and she hasn't been here in the country. She was out of the country. So she's gonna be here and we're finally gonna celebrate like her birthday. So I might film or not film that, but I'll try and do my best to actually, like, you know, put something in there. If not, I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this. I know it has been like ages since I uploaded a video. So yeah, this is gonna be the first video that I upload, and then the next video is gonna be amazing, you guys. So stay tuned. It's gonna be really amazing because I'm going on a very long trip. Okay guys, have a lovely night, lovely morning wherever you are. I will speak to you very soon. Mwah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow